Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Cash App account to send and receive money quickly, follow these step-by-step instructions for a complete registration process. Step 1. Download the Cash App mobile application from the Apple App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Step 2. Open the Cash App on your smartphone and tap Sign Up to begin creating your new account. Step 3. Enter your email address or mobile phone number in the provided field. Cash App will use this to verify your identity and send you notifications. Step 4. Create a secure password for your Cash App account. Make sure it contains a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Step 5. Enter the verification code that Cash App sends to your email or phone number to confirm your contact information. Step 6. Provide your first and last name exactly as they appear on your government-issued ID for identity verification purposes. Step 7. Create your unique Cash App tag, also known as a cash tag. This is your username that others will use to send you money, starting with a $sign followed by your chosen name. Step 8. Link a debit card or bank account to fund your Cash App transactions. Enter your card details or bank information securely when prompted. You may also need to provide your zip code and date of birth to complete the verification. Your Cash App account is now set up and ready to send and receive payments instantly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.